Good morning, everyone. Today we're taking care of our goats. We're taking care of our goats again, so we need to build a giant enclosure for them. We bought 50 meters of fence yesterday.
There it is.
And we need to build them a giant enclosure. It's gonna take a while because we need to clean it up and build a fence. One person can do the fence and one person can do the cleaning, so we don't both do the same job.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Yeah.
So these guys can go.
Because they're stressing out. Now they're shush, but before they were screaming. David finished all the poles around, cleaned up, but you probably cannot see it because I cleaned up behind there. And I'm gonna open the fence. So we bought for each roll, we paid for each roll 17 euros, roughly, for those sizes, which we don't need. And we're gonna start putting it on. Neither of us has put a fence up, so I truly don't know how. I have no idea, but you know, we're here.
We're here for unknown things.
Yeah. So I would assume that you unroll it.
Yeah.
Oh, you open this one.
Tied up.
You open this one and then you just bring it all around. I wish it would be easy, but I doubt that it will be. Okay, it's already unrolling. And I would assume we need to bring it first where we want that.
You want me to do this?
Yeah.
So what we're doing is we're putting a wood in front, and we're using the old screws that we took out of the greenhouse, and these are the woods from the greenhouse. These are other woods, but
so we're pretty much
really strong.
Except of the fence, we're just reusing everything else.
It's not the most expensive or the most nice looking fence, but
well, it looks pretty nice.
It's okay.
So I cleaned up. Now you can see a bit more what I have cleaned up. We have finished the fence till the last rusted pole is finished. David has started to put this one underneath, so they cannot sneak under. And we're gonna put now the next row. I hope the battery is enough and you can see what we're doing.
It's been all day. We have worked hard to finish this up. Haven't even had a break really. So.
Whoa, but it's still early. It's 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Yeah, it's early for us. So we put all of the all of the roof thingies on all around.
You cannot see the fence. There's also a fence.
Yeah, there's a fence on top. But there was a giant gap on the bottom because we put it a bit higher because we were worried that, you know, these rascals would get out. And we also had the metal which we cannot attach the fence to, so it would not work. So we did this. This is just temporary. We're gonna upgrade it to something nicer when we can afford to. But we're a bit poor, so we're reusing this old roofs. Anyways, let's let them off. Go back. Go back inside.
Yes, you're the smallest one. You're the bravest. Easy.
They're just eating.
Yeah, they don't care. They're used to cats. But she has never seen a goat. A city cat? How can a city cat see a goat? Okay, now we made it inside. And she really does not want to go off, I think, right? Do you want to go? You want to go see? Go see! Oh, she's getting fast. Look out.
Evie. Oh, he. Oh, Evie.
Bravo, Evie.
Oh, Evie.
This is a goat. This is a goat, Evie. You want to go down, Evie?
She's not angry, Bob. She's not angry. Pooped on me. Oh, it was Billy. Billy is a poofer? You're eating so much. So funny. They've eaten so much grass today.
They're not allowed to eat so much wet one though.
Hmm? No, dude. Not wet, Bob. That's not what I mean by wet. They're not allowed to eat wet grass like in the morning. Like actually wet. As long as they eat now and they eat normal grass, they'll lick their boo-boo.
So we bought this pan here for €2.80 in a thrift shop because the other pot was way too big and they don't need much. They just need to have, like, as I said, like an even move to the next one. So
How do we call them?
Huh? They got crazy when I took the old milk out.
Does not work.
Kids, time to go home.
They just decided to eat now.
Yeah, they got crazy, Baba, when I took the previous milk out. Time for sleeping. Time to go home. Let's go home. You already have just such a fat belly. Don't bite me, no.
Oh, the other one's falling, maybe.
Okay, then you're gonna eat the most milk.
Yeah, you can go in the first one.
Come drink milk. Come, look. Sniff milk. Milk. Taste it. He
Want it?
doesn't want it.
Or they just don't like cow's milk, maybe.
We locked them in. It's roughly 9 o'clock, I think, but we still have light. But it's starting to get wet, the ground, and you're not supposed to leave them when it's too wet. And they're young, so we put them in, and they do not want to drink our milk. They do not want to drink the milk. I don't know, maybe they came here and think like, we're grown-up girls, we only eat grass, we don't need drink milk anymore. You know, because they're girls. I don't know, we'll see tomorrow if it's strength or not, but they're going to sleep. We're not going to sleep yet. So because it was too cold today to make, or like too windy, and we were too cold to make a fence. This is our fence. You climb over here, and you climb over here, and here's a bridge. And that's how we lock it from the outside.
Easiest for now.
Yeah. Well, tomorrow we're gonna make a fence probably.
Yeah.
You right?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, and here we're gonna ride the goats.
Yeah, it's
or
a bit
the
sideways, but...
Goat gang, I don't know, girl
Goat
goat.
gang, that's pretty cool actually. But it's gonna be more animals maybe in there potentially, you never know.
Oh yeah, something is coming up.
Oh, little sleepy girls.
Wake up to
Oh, she yawned.
This is our base. We can all play.
They don't play Fortnite all day. I have cleaned up the wood. It is all nice now for the goats. It's soft and not dirty because we want it also to look nice. And now I just have to put screws everywhere and screw it all up. Look, I'll show you with one screw what happened. Just really fat screws. This is the gate, other way around, like so. This will be the outside.
Don't break it yet.
Outside. But I did it like up and down, so it's more like a hard to get out. Like I was maybe make them spiky. So it's more like danger for them. I will attach hinges now with screws and a drill. I put it the wrong side, so this is other way around. But it's better because they might jump on this and that, and yeah, better, I guess. Oh wait, I'm not that stupid.
She's being ridiculous. Why do you need to be You are the oldest girly, but you're the most cuddly one. The white one was the one that was strapped around. It walked out. David has successfully, after a long time, attached the gate. Here we have the two hinges. It's actually better that we put it that way because we had it like other way around before, and they were able to jump on this one's. On that one, the bottom one, they were able to jump, not on this one yet, but it's better that we put it outside so they don't have anything to jump in here. David put this one so we can go in and out, so you can come in. And you don't really need to close it because it's just like an automatic gate. And just for security for now, they're probably not going to be able to knock it open because they were like all three of them and they were not able, but for later we put a lock. And then we finished also this side. Is all done. We put woods to attach it like we did all around. We put this one on the bottom, and I think it should be fine for now. At least they're not gonna do anything there, I think. And last thing, we put up the brush for them. Oh. So that's it with the video. I hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna make more goat videos. Let us know with a like if you want us to do more of those videos, or comment down below and let us know how you want them to call, how you want us to call them, because we don't have names for them yet. Yes? Okay, hope you enjoyed and we'll see you next time.